Now the question is, from one face of a solid cube of side 14 cm, the largest possible cone is carved out. Find the volume and surface area of the remaining solid. So this is the situation over here. There is a cube and from which you have to take out this cone. So clearly if it is the largest possible cone, then its height will be same as that of the height of the cube and its diameter will be same as that the length of the cube. Okay. Here also I have taken one model for this. This is a cubical shape from where I have taken out this conical shape. Okay, so this is the situation. Now come to this. Side of the cube is equal to 14 centimeter. Volume of the cube will be side cube. So 14 into 14 into 14, 2744 centimeter cube. Height of the cone is h, that is 14 centimeter, and radius of the cone, that is r, 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. Because largest possible cone will have height and diameter both equal to length of the cube. Okay. Now volume of the cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3, 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 14. 7 gets cancelled, 2156 upon 3 centimeter cube. Now volume of the remaining solid means volume of the cube minus volume of the cone. So volume of the cube is this and volume of the cone is this. So take the subtraction, 2744 minus 2156 upon 3. So you will get, after simplification, LCM 3, multiply it by this, you will get this 6076 upon 3 centimeter cube. Surface area of cube, 6 side square, 6 into 14 into 14, 1176 centimeter square. Because we have to now solve the surface area portion. Now slant height of the cone also you have to find out. R square plus h square is square root. R is 7, h is 14, so 7 square plus 14 square. After calculation 7 square comes out, 1 plus 2 square, so 7 into root under 5. 7 into 2.2 and 15.4 centimeter. Now surface area of remaining solid will be surface area of the cube plus surface area of the cone minus surface area of the circular portion. So surface area of the cube, okay, and surface area of this cone, and this circular portion has to be removed, this circular portion, because this is like this. Okay, so surface area of the remaining solid will be 6x s square plus 5rl minus 5r square, then 6 into side square. So that is, you have already calculated, 1176 centimeter square. Pi rl is 22 upon 7 into 7 into 15.4 minus 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7, that is minus pi r square. So when you will solve this, 7 gets cancelled, here also 7 gets cancelled. After simplification you will get this. Okay, thank you.